At number 1, we have the VanTrue N2 Pro. This dual-channel dash cam records both the road and your cabin in crystal clear 1080p, perfect for ride shares and family trips. But it's the superior night vision that really stands out, with infrared lights for unambiguous interior footage. Plus, with 24-hour parking mode, it's always watching, detecting impacts and movements even when you're away. Durable, reliable, and ready for anything. The VanTrue N2 Pro is the ultimate all-in-one protection for any driver.
At number 2, we have the PurSteam PS99 LCD steam iron. Just kidding. It's the Garmin Dash Cam Live, a game changer for drivers. It records in stunning 1440p with a 180-degree view, capturing every detail. The magic is it's always on LTE. Get live viewing, location tracking, and theft alerts anywhere. It's the ultimate upgrade for your safety and peace of mind, the Garmin Dash Cam Live. At number 3, we have the Miofive S1 Ultra. It delivers true dual 4K recording, capturing sharp, detailed footage with HDR and strong night vision. With built-in GPS, fast 5GHz Wi-Fi, and an intuitive app, control and file transfers are effortless. Setup is a breeze with the included SD card, and parking mode adds extra security. The Miofive S1 Ultra is one of the strongest budget to mid-range 4K options available.
At number 4, we have the VIOFO A229 Pro. This Amazon bestseller delivers stunning 4K front and 2K rear recording with advanced Starvis 2 sensors. Experience excellent HDR and night vision, capturing sharp license plates even in harsh light. Plus GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and voice control. A strong performer for professional-grade footage.
At number 5, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro. It impresses with true 4K recording, built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi for seamless app connectivity. Easily view and share footage and get voice guidance for easy operation. Plus, advanced features like G-sensor emergency locking, effective night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. This model balances premium features with affordability, making it a top choice for any driver.
At number 6, we have the REDTIGER F7N F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. This Amazon top seller captures stunning 4K front and 2.5K rear footage thanks to its advanced Starvis 2 sensors. With easy-to-use Wi-Fi, you can instantly download and share footage right to your phone. Plus, loop recording and a built-in G-sensor automatically lock and save footage in case of an accident. REDTIGER F7N is the reliable, all-in-one protection your car needs.
At number 7, we have the ROVE R2-4K DUAL. This bestseller provides crystal clear 4K front plus rear recording. With advanced Starvis 2 sensors, it excels in low-light conditions, capturing every detail. It's the ultimate value, including a large 128GB SD card and all the accessories you need. Front and rear coverage with solid night performance. The ROVE R2-4K DUAL